The Minister of Health in Guinea-Bissau has specifically thanked the Ahmadiyya Muslim community for distributing food and hand sanitizer among the needy during the coronavirus crisis. In fact, media outlets around the world have been acknowledging the efforts of the community, its Khuddam youth wing, and its charity Humanity First. In this report, MTA News takes an exclusive look at just some of the ways in which Ahmadi Muslims have served their countries during the coronavirus outbreak. This crisis has not only brought challenges to health services, but has proven to be an economic disaster. With millions out of work and families facing tough circumstances, over 1,000 Humanity First volunteers are assisting tens of thousands directly around the world. Humanity First have provided food and services across Africa, including Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, and Uganda. Nigeria's Khuddam are providing similar services. In Indonesia, Ahmadi Muslims are delivering hand sanitizer to both the public and officials, including police stations. Even the MTA crew themselves have been inspired to put down their cameras and put on their face masks to help disinfect public areas. Meanwhile, in neighbouring Malaysia, Ahmadi Muslims are distributing free masks, hand sanitizer, medicine, and even emergency food packages to members of the public, particularly those who are vulnerable and in need. Then Bangladesh's campaign began with Khuddam distributing information leaflets. Day after day, the country's Ahmadi Muslims are providing hundreds of food packets nationwide to those who have lost work due to coronavirus. Teams of Khuddam also patrol the roads, busily disinfecting public areas, including hospitals, police stations, and even non-Ahmadi mosques. Certainly, Ahmadi Muslims serve their countries regardless of creed or colour. In Pakistan, Humanity First is supplying hospitals essential face masks and hand sanitizer. Meanwhile, Humanity First is an official part of government efforts to distribute food in India's Kerala region. The developed countries certainly aren't immune from the disease either. As increasing numbers of public facilities close, Humanity First Sweden has upgraded its own food bank, while also supplying other shelters directly. Similar efforts are being made in Norway and Greece. In the US, Khuddam and Ansar are working side by side across the country to pack and provide essential food rations. In New York, families are contacting the Ahmadiyya Muslim community directly for help, who respond by delivering necessary packages. Meanwhile, Humanity First USA has opened several new food pantries. In the UK, a coronavirus support line has been launched to serve the public, with over 200 trained volunteers ready to help. The country's Ahmadi Muslim youth have also been recognised by the media for their nationwide efforts. Khuddam and Ansar in Glasgow together have delivered essential rations to food banks and homeless shelters. We end by humbly requesting our respected viewers to remember the instructions of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih and follow the public health advice given by the governments of your countries. Naima Clark, MTA News.